One minute. So let us see problem number 5. It says draw a sketch with your own dimensions. So dimensions are at your own, whatever the dimensions you want you can take, but you have to identify in which quadrant it is. So here it says the point A, its front view is below xy line and top view is above xy line. Okay, front view is below xy line, top view is above xy line. Question number 2, point B, front view and top view both are below xy line. Question number 3, front view above xy line, top view below xy line. Question number 4, point D, front view and top view both are above xy line. So if you read like this, you will not understand anything. For that, whatever the rough sketch, whatever the summary we gave, let us see in that. So here in the summary we can see above HP, these are the conditions for your quadrants, first, second, third, fourth. These are the conditions and these are the rough sketches and these are the solutions. Now here you need to understand what is the front view and what is the top view. As I already discussed earlier, again I will recap it. Please understand, this is your vertical plane and the floor is your horizontal plane. When I torch a light from front, if I see it from front, I see the vertical plane. So please understand, front view means vertical plane and top view means horizontal plane. I'll write it here. Front view means vertical plane, top view means horizontal plane. Front view means vertical plane, top view means horizontal plane. Now, wherever you have front view, replace that front view as VP, and wherever you have top view, replace that word by HP. Front view means VP, top view means HP, right? So replace those words. Front view means VP, top view means HP. Again here also, front view means VP, top view means HP. Front view means VP, top view means HP. Here also VP and this is HP. Now read the question. What it says, the point A, VP is below XY line, HP is above XY line. Means to say, if this is your XY line, he wants VP to be below the line and HP to be above the line. Okay, VP is below the line, HP is above the line. In which quadrant you have VP below XY line and HP above XY line? Please look into the summary. VP below XY line, HP above XY line, it is in your third quadrant. So here you need to understand this problem, what we are trying to discuss. This is third quadrant related problem. And this is how you are supposed to identify which quadrant the point is lying. And giving dimensions, it's your own. So again, 20 mm below HP, you can call this as 20, and 30 mm above HP, so this is 30 mm. Okay, HP plane without dash, so without dash, VP plane with the dash, so with the dash. That's it. Similarly, point number 2, it says point B, front view and top view both are below XY line, that is VP and HP below XY line. In which quadrant VP is also below XY line, HP is also below XY line. In which quadrant you get VP and HP both below XY line? You get it in fourth quadrant. Okay, so fourth quadrant means you should understand this problem is related to fourth quadrant. You have to write the point is related to fourth quadrant, and he says take it your own dimension, put one point above, put one point below, and show the dimensions. This is say 20, say this is 30, and here you can give dash without dash to your own point. There is no rule because VP and HP both are below the line itself. So A dash, B dash and B both will come below XY line itself. Since it's telling you take it your own dimension, you can name anyone as with dash and without dash. So for example, I'll take this as B dash and I'll take this as B. And here I should write the point B belongs to fourth quadrant. Same way, let us see the next problem here. Right? So here it says the point C, front view is above XY line, top view is below XY line. Front view means VP, top view means HP. VP above XY line, HP below XY line. So if this is your XY line, VP above the line, HP below the line. In which quadrant you get VP above and HP below the XY line? VP above, HP below. That is first quadrant problem. So in the first quadrant you get VP above the line, HP below the line. So VP above the line, HP below the line. So here also put one point above the line, put one more point below the line, show this dimension, say this is 20, and this is 30. Here you have to be careful with the dash and without dash, because VP is above the line, HP is below the line. VP and HP both are in different places. So VP is above the line, so this should be named with the dash. HP is below the line, so this should be named without dash. And here you have to write the point C belongs to first quadrant. Same way, the last one, the point D. He says front view and top view both are above XY. Be to say VP and HP both are above the line. VP above the line, HP also above the line. In which quadrant you have VP and HP both above the line? It is in the second quadrant. So here you should understand this problem is related to second quadrant. Put 2 points one above the other, straight down. Show the dimensions. This has say 20. This has say 30. And this again, since VP and HP both are on the same place above XY line itself, here you can name any point with dash and without dash. I can take this as D dash and this as just D. And here you write the point D belongs to fourth point. Okay, sorry, second point. Right? Thank you.